Kindergarten English Test 1. First, you will have a question, an image, and 3 choices. Second, you will have 10 seconds to choose an answer. Finally, the answer will be revealed. Number 1. What's the weather like in the summer? Good job. It's hot. Number 2. What do we wear on our feet? That's right. Shoes. We wear shoes on our feet. Number 3. What do we use to brush our teeth? Awesome! Toothbrush. We use a toothbrush to brush our teeth. Number 4. What season has cold weather and snow? Nice! It's winter. Number 5. What do we use to write with? Good job! Pencil. We use a pencil. Number 6. What sound does a cat make? That's right. Meow. Number 7. What is the largest land animal? Awesome! It's an elephant. Number 8. What animal says moo? That's right. It's a cow. Number 9. What animal lives in water? Awesome! It's a fish. Number 10. What animal has stripes and lives in the jungle? Good job! It's a zebra. The end. Thanks so much for watching.